Hello students. Now, in this video, we can do remaining questions from the chapter complex numbers, okay, which was asked in Keam 2018. Now, question number 6. I raised to 18 plus 1 by I, the whole raised to 25, the whole cube. Now, I raised to 18. You know that I raised to 4 or multiple of 4 will be 1. So this I am writing as I raised to 16 to I squared. And 1 by I is minus I, result. Okay. Now, I raised to 14 is 1. I squared is minus 1. Then I raised to minus, power is odd. So minus, I raised to 25 is I raised to 24 into I, the whole cube. So it is minus 1 minus I, the whole cube. We can take minus outside. So minus of 1 plus I, the whole cube. Okay. So minus 1 plus 3I plus 3I squared plus I cube. Okay. Now 1 plus 3I. I squared is minus 1. So it is minus 3. I cubed is minus I. Simplify. Minus of 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 3I minus I is 2I. So multiply by minus 1. We are getting 2 minus 2I. That is appearing in option E. Okay. Now question number 7. The conjugate of 1 by I minus. Z is equal to 1 by I minus. So let us write it in the standard form. Denominator, we write it in the standard form. So it is minus 1 divided by 1 plus, 1 minus I. Okay, 1 second. Now here we have got 1 minus I. So which is equal to minus 1 by 1 minus I into, I am multiplying by the conjugate of the denominator. 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I, which is equal to minus 1 plus I divided by 2. So Z bar is equal to minus 1 minus I divided by 2. Is it there? No. So again, we multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 1 minus I. So 1 plus I. Simplify the numerator. 1 minus I into 1 plus I is 2 divided by 2 into 1 plus I. So 2 is getting cancelled. So we are getting minus 1 divided by 1 plus I. Is it there in the option? Minus 1 by 1 plus I? Yeah, it is there. Okay. Answer is option D. Now, next question. Okay. 2 into. Okay. Cos 75 degree. Plus I sin 75 degree. Denominator 0.2 into cos 30 degree plus I sin 30 degree. So we know e raised to I theta, Euler's theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Or otherwise, cos theta plus I sin theta, we can write as e raised to I theta. So I am using that. 2 by 0.2 is 10. into numerator e raised to I 75 degree, denominator e raised to I 30 degree. We simplify this, is equal to 10 into e raised to I 30 degree. I am bringing to the numerator. It will be e raised to minus I 30 degree. So it will be 75 degree minus 30 degree I. So which is equal to 10 into e raised to 45 degree I, or I 45 degree. Again, Euler's theorem. 10 into cos 45 degree plus I sin 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 plus I sin 45 degrees, again 1 by root 2. Okay, here it is 1 by root 2. I am giving you the value of both cos 45 degree and sin 45 degree. Okay, so again you can take root 2 as LCM. So 10 by root 2 into 1 plus I. 10 by root 2 into 1 plus I is there in the option. Option B. Okay, so this is question number 8. Now one more question is there, which was asked in 2018. So this is the real part of I minus root 13 whole raised to root 3 whole raised to 30. The real part. So you know what you should do. I minus root 3 whole raised to 30. You have to express it in the standard form. So first I am taking I as a common factor. So I into 1 plus root 3I. Is it done? Whole raised to 30, which is equal to I raised to 13 into 1 plus root 3I whole raised to 30. I raised to 13 is I, because I raised to 12 is 1, so into I. So here I want to use de Moivre's theorem. So I want to express the expression inside the bracket in terms of cos theta plus I sin theta. So for that I am making a suitable adjustment. I am writing this as 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I, the whole raised to 30. Okay. So this again, 2 raised to 13, I into 2 raised to 13 into 1 by 2, I can write as cos 5 by 3 plus I sin 5 by 3. 4 raised to 30. Now we are using de Moivre's theorem. So I into 2 raised to 13 into cos 13 pi by 3 plus I sin 13 pi by 3. Now we have to use reduction formula, which is equal to I into 2 raised to 13 into, this we can write as 4 pi 4 into 3, 12. So plus pi by plus I sin 4 pi plus pi by. Now 4 pi, even number into pi, plus pi by 3 in first quadrant. Both are positive, no change in the ratio. So I into 2 raised to 13 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin 5 by 3, which is equal to I into 2 raised to 13 into, what is cos pi by 3? It is again 1 by 2 plus I sin, root 3 by 2. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Now you multiply by I into 2 raised to 13. So it will be I into I is minus 1 minus 2 raised to 12 root 3 by 2. Okay. Plus 2 raised to 12i. You are being asked to find out the real part of it. Therefore, real part of set is equal to, the 2 is not there, no, because 2 is getting cancelled. So this 2 is not there. So we are getting minus 2 raised to 12 root 3. Minus 2 raised to 12 root 3. That is appearing as option B. So good question, even though solution is a little bit lengthy. Okay, thank you.